Hi, I'm Kara Chamberlain with Lancome, and I'm here to teach you how to find your ideal skin by sharing 3 of my favorite products: Advanced Genifique and Advanced Genifique Eye Light Pearl Serum, and Renergy Lift Multi-Action Ultra Day Cream. So start with clean skin and apply our Advanced Genifique Youth Activating Concentrate. It's a lightweight serum that should be the first step in your beauty routine. It's for all ages, in all skin tones, and it plays well with others. So if you have a favorite serum, night cream, or day cream, just put this on first and follow with any of your favorite skincare products. The Advanced Self-Loading Dropper actually pre-measures the precise dose of serum in the dropper for you. So you never have to think, am I using too much and wasting it, or not using enough to get the results I desire? You press the button to release the formula in the dropper, and you're ready to apply. I like to press it into my cheeks, my forehead, my nose, my chin, and my neck. And then with a small circular motion, work from the top all the way down my face, across my neck to the décolleté. Your next step is Advanced Genifique Eye Light Pearl Eye and Lash Serum. Light Pearl has been formulated to increase hydration around the delicate eye contour for more luminous and youthful looking eyes. Now, it's more than just a serum. It actually has a beauty tool. It's been engineered with this amazing light pearl flexible and cooling applicator. So the way to apply it is to swirl the stem to remove any excess and leave the serum on the light pearl applicator. The cooling light pearl is flexible and gets into areas around your delicate eye contour that your fingers can't reach. So apply the serum below around the eye contour, above the eye contour. If you can't find your eye contour, just press around and feel what we call the ocular bone all the way around. And now from the inner corners out, little circles to massage. You can do it across the top of the eye too. And then the last step with the excess that's on the pearl is to close your eyes and sweep it across your upper lash line. And your final step is to apply our Renergy Lift Multi-Action Ultra Day Cream. It's a multitasking face moisturizer that acts on the key visible signs of aging, and it has an SPF 30 broad spectrum UVA and UVB protection from the sun. It's a combination of linseed extract and LHA, which is lipohydroxy acid, plus this innovative texture with a unique blend of jojoba, sunflower, and mimosa flower waxes melts onto your skin. The way to apply your Renergy Lift Multi-Action Ultra is to apply just a pearl-sized amount, about the size of a pea, to your fingertips. Blend it between your fingertips and press it into your cheeks, forehead, your nose, your chin, and your neck. And then again, blend in a circular motion from above to below. And don't forget to come across and down the neck. And don't forget your décolleté and the back of your hands.